Alrighty then, we've got a quick unboxing. I didn't even put the shotgun mic on. Package just came from Amazon. I have one comment about the delivery. The guy only came up, he put it on the driveway and it didn't bring it to my door. Didn't like that. Not good. Not good Amazon local delivery. So we're gonna rip this guy open. I'm not quite as quick as some of the people out there. Let's see, let's try and cut ourselves. Let's see what we got. Did it all fit in the box? Yes, we do. First, we've got a Komo, K-H-O-M-O. This is a case for a 10.5-inch iPad Pro. So that's nice. It's supposed to be cocoa color. Looks okay. Got the slot for the to allow the smart cover to fit in. All right, that's one. And the Meike, or Meike, M-E-I-K-E, MK-A6300 Pro. This is the battery grip for the A6300 and A6000. I have an A6000. Filming this right now. And we got here a Wasabi Power. That's probably the battery and charger. This looks like a plain white box. Oh, this is the battery. Look at this. And here's some memory card. We got a 64 gigabyte SDXC card and a 32 gigabyte SDHC. Both of them SanDisk Extremes UHS 1 90 megabits per second. So need those for some photo work coming up. Let's see what's in these boxes here. Okay, we'll start with the HDE. This is a battery, not a battery, this is a SD card holder. It's 10 bucks. It's waterproof. Holds 12 SD and micro SD cards. There was another one of these listed on Amazon, recommended when I purchased one of the other items, one of the SD cards probably. But they didn't have the micro SD, and although I don't use a lot of micro SD, later when I get a drone, I will. So that's good to carry cards. And then we got the Wasabi Power kit. It's a battery kit. Should be 2 NP-FW50 style batteries for Sony E-mount cameras. And there they are. Let's see, let's take a look. And we got the battery. Oh, I hope it didn't break it. And there's a battery. Great. Is it damaged? Nope. There's another one. And then a little charger unit. So, alright. Probably destroyed the battery. We'll edit that from the video if it doesn't work. Alrighty. So here's your battery, and finally the piece de resistance, the battery grip. And this was the most expensive part in here. Remote control, supposed to be a wireless remote. Hope it came with a battery. And there's a piece that replaces the battery inside your A6000. And ooh, good. Always like these little desiccant packs. Use those to keep lenses dry. And here's the little battery grip. Not much to it, but that attaches to the camera, and then you can do that and hold it like that, and gives a little more heft to the camera. And this attaches to allow control of the camera from this button here. So we'll be trying that out. Looking forward to that. But the camera's mounted right now, taking this. So that's our quick unboxing here on a set of photographic items that I've ordered. All right, that's all. Enjoy.